me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube, and I hope you guys are staying safe, doing amazing and taking care of yourselves. I'm back with another video, which is of course my birthday vlog, which I never miss out. Like, that's the one video I would never miss out to put on YouTube, or else like I would never really even post on YouTube. I know that's like so unusual, but anyways, my birthday is tomorrow, but the celebration is gonna start from today because tomorrow I'll be going out of town with my family for 2-3 days. I wanted to spend some time with my friends too, so today I'll be going out with my friends and we'll be having a night over. So I'm really excited. So I wanted to show you guys. My hair is short now. This is how my hair looks like after they got short. Sure, like I still myself have been figuring it out. How does short hair actually look in me? Because I have always had, because of course I forever had long hair, so I never knew how that would look on me. This is the length. If you guys have been following me from a long time, you would know how long my hair was back then. But please guys, give me honest opinion if it actually suits me or the longer hair was better, so I would know next time how short I should be cutting my hair. So yeah, please let me know, like please just give me your honest opinion that which was better. Also guys, I finally decorated my room. Like, I have been planning to do it from a very long time, but I shifted into this new house for a few time with my family until our old house is getting renovated. So I decorated this room and I wanted to show you guys how it looks like, because I'm really proud of myself. It didn't take too much of efforts, but a little bit, yes. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like, and I will be getting dressed up very quick because my friend's gonna be here any minute and we need to leave. It's already quite late. So yeah, I'm gonna put a preview of my room and get ready, and then the video begins. I hope you guys like it. Keep watching. It's not my birthday yet, but my friend gorgeous Dhruvi is here and we are going for a night out, and I'm gonna see you guys once we meet Siddhi. So guys, we're officially out for a dinner. We're out for dinner with friends. I'm gonna go downstairs and we are gonna find a hotel for ourselves to eat. At the restaurant for dinner. We ordered our food and we're just waiting for it to come. I think I showed you guys my outfit, and yeah, my nails. You can see my nails. Quite big on me, I know. So now we're just waiting for our food, and once it comes we're gonna eat. Because we're super hungry. We were like searching for hotels for so long, but then all of them were booked since, I don't know why. It was just so full. Then we had to come to this place where I had been like on my birthday last year. So we had to come here again, but the food is so delicious. So I'm gonna be here. So yeah, I'm here and just can't wait to be so hungry. And they both are like chit-chatting. And guys, the food is here. We're enjoying it. This 2 days I'm gonna eat like anything. Guys, this is our fit. Show me your fit.
This is my fit, guys.
I'm wearing these boots which I newly got with this dress and blazer jacket. And perfect. Stay swag. We're gonna change to another clothes when we cut the cake at 12 o'clock. Until then, we are staying in this fit only. And two sexy ladies. Sorry. Oh my god, we look so good. This is my cameraman.
Yeah. Half an hour baki hai.
Yay, half an hour left for me to turn 19. So guys, I'm officially 19 years old.
20?
And this is the dress I'm wearing. You guys are gonna see better pictures on my Instagram. And this is the cake my friends got me, which had written, what was written over it? Whatever, you guys, I'm just gonna upload a picture. Yeah, I'm so happy. My friends are over here and they're like the best people. I love you guys. And some food because we are hungry again.
Good night.
Shut up, you're not sleeping. Today is stay over. Wait, none of them are sleeping today. We're gonna party hard tonight. We're gonna party hard tonight. I have so many plans and I have a sister with me in the room to disturb us. Food which we have over here, which of course I'm gonna show you guys because we got so hungry again. It's like we ate just 2 dishes in the house and it got closed so early. It got closed because of the lockdown thing. So now we're gonna show you guys the pictures we take and see you guys. I'm so happy. And guys, this is our food for tonight. And my pretty friends. It's a video, guys. Guys, it's 4:30 and we are making cheese nachos. We are making cheese nachos. It's to make this really nice cheese sauce and these nachos. Now I'm gonna put their nachos are ready. We topped it with some olives because why not? It's her favorite. So yeah, we're gonna go and enjoy this with our movie in our room. Let's go. And she is sleeping. And so guys, we're watching a movie with some food and my amazing friends who are just gonna sleep right now because they're very sleepy. Let's see how long we last watching 2-hour movie. Good night. Guys, it's next morning and my friends are leaving. My friends are leaving and I'm going to leave. So guys, my friends left and now we are going out. I am going out with my family out of town somewhere to celebrate my birthday. That was the main reason my friends left early, and that's why we started celebrating my birthday a day prior. So yeah, so for that I was packing my bags. They're already packed. I just need to put a little bit stuff which is yet to be done. So I'm gonna do that and then we're gonna go, and once I'm done packing I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. It's just very basic but I wanted to show you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get a little bit fresh, wash my face and stuff, and see you guys. This is my little outfit for today, and the back of this top is just so freaking cute. I really adore this top. It's one of my favorite tops, and it's just basic outfit which I'm wearing. Guys, this is my twin brother. It's his birthday too, of course. So wish him in the comment section if you want to. And we are on our way right now and we're about to reach there. I'm so excited. And from there, the entire... yeah. We are about to reach in a few time and we are gonna meet my Nani Nanu between that. I'm so excited. They're like my favorite person ever. So I'm gonna meet them and then we'll be going to the farmhouse where we're going and we're gonna have so much fun, and the whole way over there is just like so pretty and just like so damn beautiful. So I'm gonna just put like clips of like the road and everything. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys once I reach because it is so pretty outside. Guys, here's my favorite person in the entire world, and she came to wish me. Look at her, she's so cute. Guys, we are finally here. If you can hear me, we're finally here. I'm gonna show you guys around, and all of our family people are in the pool. I'm so exciting and so vibey. So we're gonna hop on in the pool too. Now I need to get changed and I'm gonna show you guys a view of this later. So yeah, I just cannot wait to get changed into my pool clothes and get into the pool. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys once I get inside the pool, if I get a chance to record there, or else I'm just gonna put some few clips for you guys to enjoy. So let's see you guys in my pool outfit. Show you guys my pool outfit, which you cannot see. This is my little pool outfit, which I'm gonna wear right now. Actually ordered a waist chain to wear along with this, but I couldn't find, so I'm gonna wear my necklace as my tiny little waist chain, which makes no sense because it looks ridiculous, I think so, but it's pretty. Whatever. Let's go into the pool. So guys, now I woke up. So first we went in the pool and we were there for like so long, and then we went and then we had lunch, and after that we directly slept. After taking shower, we were so tired. So we slept and now I woke up straight at 7:30. I know. And now we are going to play some board games, and we're also setting up the barbecue for tonight. So we're gonna eat some barbecue, play some games, and then later we're gonna change and cut the cake and have dinner. And that's it. My birthday is gonna end soon. All that tension is gonna taken away after a few hours. So yeah, I'm gonna change. See you guys. So guys, now I'm going to change into my birthday outfit. I'm gonna try and transition thing, and it goes like this. So guys, this is my birthday outfit, and the back is just so pretty. This is literally a very pretty angel dress. Guys, this is like the best dress ever. I really am in love with this dress, and of course you guys saw the bag. It's so pretty. I really want you guys to go and check out Muscari's page. I don't know if I'm spelling it, if I am pronouncing it right or not, but their page is literally so good and like so aesthetic. I just love whoever handles the page. Is like literally so sweet. They sent me the second dress and it's so freaking good. So go and order now because it's very nice. And right now we're going downstairs and thank you, auntie.
We're doing barbecue here. The family's over here eating. The barbecue is here.
Now we were done with cake cutting. We did barbecue and everything, and we ate so much. We like so many pictures we clicked with each and every freaking person, like a big bunch of family members. My birthday is really coming to an end. I don't want it to end, but we're leaving from this place tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna continue this vlog up till tomorrow or maybe till tonight. I don't know how it's gonna go, but I'm gonna go downstairs. We're gonna have dinner now. And I think we're gonna get in PJs and we're gonna play late night games with everybody in the family because it's like very nice. Mess, and look at all the clothes I've stacked up over here. I need to clean everything later. And also like everyone who has wished me, and like thank you so much for the wishes, guys. Like I know I've not got that many of wishes, but still I wanted to thank each and every one of you. It means a lot to me, even if you just simply wish me. So yeah, thank you so much. This is like really one of the greatest birthday I had. Like every year I say this, that this is the best birthday, but the next year it keeps getting better. So guys, my birthday has officially ended now, and it's time to get out of this beautiful ass dress, which I don't want to wear, but I eventually have to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have watched it here, thank you so much for watching. And I know I'm like a really dumbass bitch. Every time I ever post on YouTube is just when it's like my birthday or I'm traveling. That is so not how we be active, but we will learn how to get active on YouTube. But guys, for sure go and check out my Instagram page and do follow me there because I post there almost every week. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys next time. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, keep smiling, And remember, you're amazing, babes. I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Take care.